यो हेरौं यदि तिमी मलाई मन पराउँछौ भने हो भन If you like me, just say yes. If you like me, just say yes. तिमी मसँग किन झुटो बोल्दैछौ? Why are you lying to me? Why are you lying to me? म त्यति मूर्ख पनि छैन. I'm not that stupid. I'm not that stupid. Stupid को अर्थ मूर्ख. I'm not that stupid. तिम्रो मनमा के छ मलाई थाहा छ. I know what is in your heart. I know what is in your heart. Heart मुटु अथवा मन. I know what is in your heart. तिमीलाई दुख दिने मेरो मनसाय थिएन. I had no intention of hurting you. I had no intention of hurting you. Intention मनसाय. I had no intention of hurting you. अब present मा भन्नु पर्दा तिमीलाई दुख दिने मेरो कुनै मनसाय छैन. I have no intention of hurting you. I have no intention of hurting you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru and Hamro Online Class if you haven't subscribed already. र दुवै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला. यस्तै महत्त्वपूर्ण भिडियोहरू कहिले पनि नछुटाउनका लागि. जे भयो त्यो नजानेर भयो अथवा अनजानमा भयो. Whatever happened, happened unknowingly. Whatever happened, happened unknowingly. मैले जानेर केही गरिन अथवा केही गरेको होइन. I didn't do anything knowingly. I didn't do anything knowingly. मैले जानी केही गरिन अथवा केही गरेको होइन. I didn't do anything on purpose. I didn't do anything on purpose. On purpose को अर्थ जानी. I didn't do anything on purpose. What happened cannot be changed. जे भयो त्यसलाई बदलन सकिदैन. What happened cannot be changed. जे भइसक्यो त्यसलाई बदलन सकिदैन. What has been done cannot be undone. What has been done cannot be undone. अब रुनुको कुनै अर्थ छैन. It's no use crying now. It's no use crying now. I knew it would happen one day. मलाई थाहा थियो यस्तो एक दिन हुनेछ. I knew it would happen one day. Would को भिडियो यही हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानलमा छ. हेर्न अवश्य पनि नछुटाउनुहोला. Also, be sure to like and share this video. यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न अवश्य पनि नछुटाउनुहोला. तिमीले मलाई केही गर्नु अघि केही सोध्दैनौ. You don't ask me anything before you do anything. You don't ask me anything before you do anything. यही एउटा कुरा हो जुन मलाई तिम्रो बारेमा मन पर्दैन. This is the one thing I don't like about you. This is the one thing I don't like about you. अरु सबै कुरा ठिकै छ. Everything else is fine. Everything else is fine. के तिमीलाई लाग्छ कि मैले गल्ती गरे अथवा के तिमीलाई मैले गल्ती गरे जस्तो लाग्छ? Do you think I made a mistake? Do you think I made a mistake? Mistake, गल्ती. Do you think I made a mistake? मलाई त्यस्तो लाग्दैन. No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. त्यसो भए तिमी मसँग किन बोल्दैनौ? Then why don't you talk to me? Then why don't you talk to me? म अर्कै काममा अथवा अरु नै काममा व्यस्त थिएँ. I was busy in something else अथवा I was busy doing something else. I was busy in something else. I was busy doing something else. उसको कुरालाई गम्भीरतापूर्वक नलिऊ. Don't take his words seriously. Don't take his words seriously. उ सधैँ यस्तै कुरा गर्छ अथवा यसरी नै कुरा गर्छ. He always talks like that. He always talks like that. यदि उ आएन भने हामी के गर्छौं? What do we do if he doesn't come? What do we do if he doesn't come? मैले यस बारेमा केही सोचेकै छैन. I haven't thought anything about it at all. I haven't thought anything about it at all. यदि उ आएन भने म एक्लै जानेछु. If he doesn't come, I'll go alone. If he doesn't come, I'll go alone. Alone, एक्लै. If he doesn't come, I'll go alone. तिमीलाई साथी चाहिन्छ भने म आउनेछु. I will come if you need a friend. I will come if you need a friend. यदि त्यस्तो हो भने म तिमीसँग अवश्य आउनेछु. If so, I will definitely come with you. If so, I will definitely come with you. definitely, definitely, यसको अर्थ अवश्य अथवा पक्कै. If so, I will definitely come with you. तिमी जसलाई खोज्दैछौ उ यहाँ बस्दैन. The person you are looking for does not live here. The person you are looking for does not live here. तिमी के खोज्दैछौ? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? I'm looking for a needle and thread. I'm looking for a needle and thread. के तिमी मलाई खोज्दै थियौ? Were you looking for me? Were you looking for me? म एउटा कालो छालाको झोला खोज्दै छु. I'm looking for a black leather bag. I'm looking for a black leather bag. उनी स्थायी जागिरको खोजीमा छिन्. She is looking for a permanent job. She is looking for a permanent job. P-E-R-M-A-N-E-N-T. Permanent. Permanent नभन्नुहोस्, permanent. She is looking for a permanent job. आजको मेरो दिन खराब चलिरहेको छ. I am having a bad day today. I am having a bad day today. म तिमीलाई पछिल्लो 2 घण्टादेखि फोन गर्दै छु. I have been calling you for the last 2 hours. I have been calling you for the last 2 hours. Have been plus ing present perfect continuous tense हो. अंग्रेजीका सबै टेन्सहरू अर्थ र वाक्य सहित यही हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानलमा त्यसको भिडियो छ. त्यो हेर्न अवश्य नछुटाउनु होला. अगाडि बढौं. यति बेलासम्म तिमी कहाँ थियौ? Where have you been so far? Where have you been so far? तिमीले मलाई साँचो कुरा भन्नै पर्छ. You must tell me the truth. You must tell me the truth. अब उत्तर. म ट्राफिक जाममा फसेको थिएँ. I was stuck in a traffic jam. I was stuck in a traffic jam. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, be sure to watch all videos of Hamro English Guru and Hamro online class. Take care. Have a beautiful day.